There is a trick to know the cheapest home loan rates, and trust me, it's very easy. Yes, forget online articles, forget ads, just do this. Visit every major bank in your area like SBI, Bank of India, Canara Bank, Union Bank, HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, Axis, etc. and ask just 4 questions. Number 1, what's your current interest rate? That is repo plus spread. Number 2 is what's the processing fee? Then number 3, check if they force insurance at disbursal. And number 4, check any special offers for your civil bracket. Now here's the trick most people don't know. Rates are negotiable. Yes. If one bank quotes 7.8% and another offers 7.5%, then use one offer against the other and negotiate harder. They will most likely reduce their spread. See, a tiny difference of just 0.3% per annum can save you around 7 to 8 lakhs on your typical loan. So don't pick the bank that calls you the most, pick the one that cost you the least. So do this comparison exercise once and you will save lakhs over your loan lifetime. You know how banks actually decide your home loan interest rate? There's a simple formula. Interest is equal to repo rate plus spread. Repo rate is fixed by RBI and spread is the bank's profit margin. For example, repo rate today is around 5.25%. Suppose HDFC Bank adds 2.25% spread. So your home loan rate becomes 7.5%. In case of Canara Bank, spread is only around 2%. So their loan rate comes to 7.25%. See, banks with high CASA ratio keeps spread low. Banks with expensive deposits keep spreads high. Once you know this formula, you know exactly why some banks are cheaper and why you should compare before you take the loan. That's all for now. Thanks a lot for your time and let's take care of this beautiful world. I'll see you in the next video. And smile. Always smile.